Today we are going to solve one more problem on tree, problem number 100 on Leetcode. That is again easy problem. So what exactly problem statement is? Here we have to find whether two trees are equal or not. Uh, so for example, here 1, 2 and 3. This is one tree and this 1, 2 and 3. This is second tree. So since they are equal, how? Because root node value is matching with root node, then left subtree is same as this tree is left subtree, right subtree also same for both the trees. Similarly, we can say that these trees are not equal because 1 2 here 1 1 left subnode is or left subtree is not matching. So in this case we should return false. If two trees are same, then we are returning true. So what the input is, we have two root node as a input for two separate trees, and we have to check whether they are equal or not. So it's a very simple problem, and if you are able to solve this problem, you can easily able to solve the symmetric tree problem as well. So let's try to solve it first. Okay, so for any pointer, what we need to do, we need to check null, whether they are null or not. So if null is equal to p, or null is equal to q, what will be our output? Return true, because both trees are null, so they are equal. Okay, so both values are null, so they are equal. If any of one is not null, then there is a problem. So uh, we can write similar condition. If any of one is not null, okay, if any of one is not null, then uh, and one of which is null, so in that case we should return false, because they can't be identical, because uh, if they are identical, then both should be null. So if they are not null, that means here one of which is not, if one of the node is null, then in that case they can't be equal. So that is case. And the third case is, if what we have to return is, we have to check whether if uh, p arrow value equal to q arrow value. In that case only it should be null, right? Well, p arrow val and q arrow val, if both are equal, and if left subtree is equal, how to go to left subtree? P arrow left comma q arrow left. If they are also equal and is same tree, returns true for p arrow right comma q arrow right. If they are also equal, then we will be returning return true. Otherwise, we have to return false. Okay, so let's see our solution works or not by submitting it for sample test cases. I am doing it first time. I haven't solved this problem. Yeah, this solution got accepted, but I have solved symmetric one, so I am quite familiar with it. So let's try to submit for all the test cases, and let's see if that is accepted. Yes, we can see our solution got accepted for oh, I previously solved this problem, or how it is? Mm. Oh, it got submitted twice at the same time. So yeah, our solution got accepted, and this solution is working for say for checking whether the two trees are equal or not. Now we have to use this solution to check whether to a given tree is symmetric or not. So let's try to first understand what symmetric tree means. So this is the problem number 101. 100th problem we have just solved. Now we will solve problem number 101 for checking symmetric tree. So for symmetric tree, how exactly it is, left and right both should match. Like here, 1 root node, so no problem. Here left node, that is 2. Here right node, that is 2. Both are matching. Then left subtree, this is 2 3 4 here, and right subtree 2 3 2 4 3, they are matching, right? So his left and his left and right should match. His left and right should match. So his left is 3, okay, so, and his right is 4, okay, sorry, his right is 3. So this 3, his left and his right is matching. His left and his right is matching, 4 4. So in this case we can say that given tree is symmetric tree, okay, which is exact symmetric of uh, other part. So left subtree and right subtree should be symmetric, okay. But here we can't say this tree is symmetric because his right and his right is matching. We want his right and his left should match, okay. So in this case we should return false. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the same solution. For checking whether a tree is symmetric or not. Just we have to, it's symmetric tree, okay. So this will be our function, and we are calling this function from for the same tree, root and root, because we have to check for same tree only. Just we have to check whether left and right is matching or not. So one more change is required here. Here we are checking value for left and left, instead of here we are going to check value for left and right, okay. And here again left and right, okay. So left right check. Now right left we have to check. So right and left we have to check. If we do that, then our same solution will work for both. Return, whatever return value of this will be used. So let's try to run this solution. Each same tree, okay, symmetric tree, we have changed the name. So yeah, our sample test case is passed. Now let's try to run it for all the test cases. Yes, our solution got accepted. So using same solution we are able to solve two problems, whether the tree is symmetric or not, or whether tree is same or not. So that's all for today. If you find this video useful, then please like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for future updates. Happy coding. Thank you.